List. This code is a simple management system that demonstrates common Python list operations and also lets you manage employee records interactively. At the start, it shows example of list methods like append, extend, insert, remove, pop, clear, index, count, sort, reverse, and copy by using a sample list of employees. Then it moves into an interactive menu where you can add, edit, or delete employees from the main list. The add employee function asks for a name and appends it to the list, while edit employee lets you find an existing name and replace it with a new one. The delete employee function removes a specified employee if they exist. Append adds a new employee to the end of the list. Extend adds multiple employees from another list to the main list. Insert inserts an employee at a specific position in the list. Remove delete deletes the first occurrence of a specific employee from the list. Pop removes the last employee from the list or a specified index and returns it. Clear empties all the entire list so it has no elements left. Index finds the position index of a specific employee in the list. Count counts how many times a particular employee appears in the list. Sort sorts the employees alphabetically. Reverse reverses the order of employees in the list. Copy makes a separate copy of the list so changes to one don't affect the other.